So there'll be lots of excitement going on today. I see SPY is down 1.3%. Apple's down 1.62%. I can see Tesla is tanking right out of the gate. Qs are down. Everything is down. The world is burning. And yet we will somehow make a lot of money this week. Tesla's down almost 4% this morning. Yes. Those of you that listen to me since the beginning, and I always talk about making sure you are hedging your long side, now understand what I mean. Those of you that heard me say it every day for the last 2 years and 7 months and did not heed my warnings, you now understand what I've been saying. For everybody else, if you guys are watching, make sure you guys are setting up your pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. That will help you throughout the day. Doing that right. There it is. There it is. There it is. All set up. Going to do the same for Apple. It should take you less than 10 seconds per chart to do exactly what I just said. So there's your previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, and pre-market low, and done. That's how long it should take. Nice job. How is your green to red ratio over these last 4 months?
I have just 2 days red, another one's is green.
2 day out of how long?
4 months.
4 months, 2 or 3 days red. Did everybody catch that? Out of 4 months, 2 or 3 days have been red.
But you know what I realize? When I go big, I'm losing that day. When I go smaller, I just winning.
That is correct. Everybody always thinks that if you go larger, you're going to make more money. No. If you go larger, you're going to lose more money. It's completely opposite of what you think. The smaller you go, the more you will allow it to run, the more money you will make, and the less risk you will take. It's completely opposite of everything you could ever, but it takes money to make money, coach. It's not how this works. I'm telling you right now, that's not how this works. Ask Mark, who started with a $700 account, if him going too large too fast is how he got to where he's trading today in those futures account.